Hey, this is Carl Anderson, General Manager at MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new arrival of ours. This is a Sea Ray 230 SPX Outboard. Full hull black gel coat, got a matching black rub rail with a stainless steel insert. Trailer beneath this boat is included, big heavy duty tandem axle trailer. Sports tower with the bimini top. We have two swim platforms with the SeaDeck foam flooring on either side, along with some walkable space to get from one side of the swim platform to the other. We have a 250 horsepower Mercury V8 Verado engine, 4.6 liter motor that's naturally aspirated. Great performance and power on this boat. And now we will make our way inside the cockpit. So I'm here on the transom on Sea Ray's 230 SPX. And one thing you'll immediately notice is we have this huge sun pad area. This is the stone colored upholstery, which looks great with the black hull. Making our way into the cockpit, we have battery access and storage beneath these two hatches, along with a closable cockpit door. Great storage beneath the sun pad, along with access to your bilge area. It's also where our bow and cockpit tables are stowed away. Got L-shaped seating that wraps around the starboard side. Table mounts there, but really comfortable and sharp upholstery from Sea Ray. You'll see that throughout the entire boat. We have really versatile seating here on the port side. We've got a forward-facing observer seat, along with an adjustable backrest that can create either a full lounge, or I can drop that down to face aft. This is also great when you're pulling a skier and your observer can face your skier. We have storage down on the floor. Great for larger items like your bow filler cushion, the boat cover, if you have beach bags or anything like that that you don't want to clutter up in your head area. That's a great use of this space. This boat has the upgraded sound system. So you've got the Fusion speakers along with a sub and an amp on board. 230 SPX does have a head. Also a great use of storage space. Really comfortable helm area. Simrad touchscreen, Fusion stereo remote, digital throttle and shift with that Mercury 250 Verado. Got charging ports, cup holders, aircraft style toggle switches for lights and pumps, along with a nice angled footrest. The boat's really fun and comfortable to drive. Moving forward, again, we've got another table mount for the bow table. More storage in the floor. This also makes for a nice cooler box that does drain. You got a nice space to stretch out. Really sharp upholstery inserts with stainless steel grab rails, Fusion speakers, cup holders. Nice deep boat so you feel safe and secure. Nice angle to the backrest so it's comfortable. You have finished storage boxes that are also drained, so easy to keep clean, and if you want to use them as extra coolers, you can do that as well. Access to your anchor line and convenient storage for your anchor itself, along with nav lights, cleats, and then the boat has covers everywhere you see snaps. That's a quick walkthrough of our Sea Ray 230 SPX. If you have any interest in this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.